Hey everyone, LM500 Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you all the stuff I have used for my YouTube videos, like for my Nintendo Switch, and all the stuff I will use for my Nintendo Switch eventually in my YouTube videos. So first of all, I'm going to show you my amiibos. I only have two, but right now I have the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I have the Super Smash Bros. Zelda Twilight Princess amiibo. I actually just got that about a month ago. And then I also have this Splatoon 2 Inkling amiibo. Now his arm broke off when I was using it for something. So yeah. Yeah, that was a very that was really bad. So then I need to show you my game collection. Well, not really collection, but I have Splatoon 2. I have The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I have Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Pokémon Tournament DX. I have Minecraft for the Switch. Now, if you want to see a Minecraft video for the Nintendo Switch, just comment down below and I'll do one. And then I have Super Mario Odyssey, Lego Worlds, FIFA. And yet again, if you want to see a video on FIFA, then I'll have a just comment down below you want to see a video for it, and then I'll make a video for it. And then I also have ARMS. So there are actually 7 more games. Actually, no, only 6 more games that I'm possibly getting for my birthday. So maybe some will come in about 2 months. Maybe I'll get some more. But yeah, if there's any, I also digitally I have Pokemon Quest and Escapist 2. So if you want to see some videos on that, comment down below as well. Make sure you do that, because I'm thinking about maybe uploading a video about them, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you do want to see a video, make sure you comment down below. So next, I have a thing, like a little controller that I made. It's a little pottery box. It's a Nintendo Switch controller, and I made this like really cool pottery thing. So yeah. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is this. This is a wired controller. I don't have the wire attached yet, because I still haven't used it that much yet. And it's actually quite comfortable. I like it way better than using the Joy-Cons, but I use the Joy-Cons more because I'm more used to them. So yeah, this is another controller that I could use. It's basically like a Pro controller, but it doesn't really have that. It doesn't have HD rumble, and it has a wire, so it's a little bit hard to move around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see some of these things in a video, like see us use them for a certain game, or see us do a certain game on the channel, make sure you comment that below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And bye guys!